Madam, tara na.
Ayoko na.
So she don't want to get out, so she can stay in the car. I'll show you guys the Malibu sign. Ayain natin si Madam dahil ayaw lumabas. Madam, tara na.
Ayoko na.
Ma'am, tara na ma'am. She's too cold to go out. Doesn't really want to go out. Lalamig na po ang kababayan natin kaya ayaw na lumabas. Mamaya na lang daw ulit.
I thought she said she wanted to come here and experience cold weather.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess she changed her mind already. Getting ready to sleep na siya. Gusto mo pala ng cold weather, ha? Ayan. So we are gonna check out their beach. Which one is better? Their beach or our beach in Hawaii?
But it's cold as shit.
Yeah, it is. We are at the beach, but I'm wearing my sweater.
I like this.
Yeah.
I'm from Michigan.
You like swimming, huh?
Very.
Yeah. Malamig. Biniginaw po tayo mga kaibigan.
Like ice water.
Lamig nga.
It's like ice water.
It is. Mapapalayo ka dahil bawal kang mabasa, no? Ang isa nating kasama dito. Ma'am, tapos ka na? Ganyan po talaga kapag tinawag ng kalikasan tapos nai-release mo lahat. Ayan, naubos ang energy niya. Let's go.
We have sick beaches.
So we are now at Santa Monica Pier.
Action.
So we are now here by the Hollywood sign, near the Hollywood sign. At the moment, and we're gonna take some pictures. And I guess Ma is awake right now.
Oh, she woke up.
Gising na po ang lola nyo. And gusto nyo magpa-picture. Ito na, Hollywood, here I come.
We're trying to be cheesy, you know what I mean?
Yan.
Posing. Put your mask away or hide it. Looks like you have ladies napkin. Oh, look at the pose. Look at Fashion.
Oh yeah.
Act like you're fixing your shirt button. Adjust your watch.
Like I'm walking.
Huh?
Like just
Walk backwards like 4 feet.
So many now.
That's good.
Last one, last one, last one.
Last one. Yeah, move your foot. That makes a big difference.
Maybe it's one.
So did you make it in Hollywood?
I think I made it now.
I mean, he's here.
Yeah.
Any available agents?
Signed.
Any available agents? I give you Palvetuccio. So Mrs. Dillon, what's it like working with this guy? Is he demanding?
Yes.
Speak Filipino something.
Demanding, manipulating.
Egotistical. What's,
Histrionic. Look at it.
what's egotistical in Philippines? She can't take picture of the camera. What's it like working with this photographer?
Oh, it's terrible.
Ma'am, you have to be professional. Your camera is shaking.
Alam niyo po sa dinami-dami ng mga pictures na we took over there, hindi po natin alam kung may makukuha ba tayo. Maayos ba yung pakuha mo, ma? Ang ganda ng kuha ko sa kanila, yung sa akin, I don't know. So we are now at the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Oh, your legs are blocking the view.
And Ma's favorite is Liliana's here. So of course, Celine Dion fans.
Coming soon, Paul Reducio.
Ano, parang naiiyak ako.
It really says Reducio.
Yeah.
I saw it.
I made it. The boss. Boss lady.
What are you, road guard, crosser, or supervisor? So we were at California Pizza Kitchen and somebody forgot their ID,
Again.
so he wants a beer. So I had to order the beer, and now he can only drink it when the waiter isn't looking.
Are you there? No? No one is there?
So she's coming, she's coming.
Oh. Yeah, there's one.
She's coming with the hot water.
Yep.
And go.
She's there.
There she is, there she is, there she is.
I almost gagged.
Don't let her look at the ice cream. Cover her eyes.
The following day.
Here's the driver. Sleepy na. Don't fall asleep. Kinakabahan tuloy yun nasa likod. So we are now on our way to Big Bear Lake. Kami ngayon ay nandito sa may in the middle of the desert, I guess. Palmdale. Then maraming nakikita kami. Wala na pala, hindi nyo na makikita. Joshua at Lee kanina.
But after living in Hawaii, look at this beautiful, perfect, straight road. No bumps, no potholes.
Yeah.
self-driving
wake up.
car. Self-driving car.
Yeah, perks of having a self-driving car. We're gonna show them.
Oh look, it did it. See?
It keeps on going to the center. There's also an alarm for it, so.
It shuts the button. Oh, this is where they filmed the cartoon Cars.
Oh, is it?
No. It's a
Just making it
cartoon.
up. How are you there, the back seat, ma'am?
She's away.
I'm good.
Yeah. Right now, she's awake na po, mga
Did you buy a
kababayan.
new jacket, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh.
I guess so.
Instead of one, I have three.
Yeah, she got 3.
Tell your listeners how she happened to get 3.
Yeah, paano nga ba? Kasi she uses the magic card.
No, the
Which one?
wife card.
Yeah, the wife card. Dahil hindi binili sa Hawaii, nakakuha po tayo dito. Tapos hindi tayo kagad-agad nakahanap ng jacket, kaya medyo na beast mode si Madam. Kamusta? Gotta get mad a little bit, and then nakakuha she got na 3 jacket na. Kasi, back
She
and
wanted
say no.
Big winter jacket in Hawaii. I said, how was it going to fit in the luggage? We can
Yeah.
buy it there. They sell it everywhere.
Yeah, that's what he said. But now we can't find anything.
Yeah. Nobody.
Kaya naman, naka-can't say no challenge itong isang to. Now the ending is, she got 3 jacket instead of just 1.
Let that be a lesson, ladies.
Tatandaan niyo pag sinabing, bumili na, just buy one already. Yeah.
All the ladies are making notes. Oh.
Yeah, take down notes na. Let's go!